Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm creating this look right here, something that's colorful because that's the theme of this series. And today's color theme is violet, featuring this very pretty ombre lip. So if you wanna know how I got this look, please keep on watching. To prep my skin, I will first start with spritzing my face with some water. If you want, you can also switch it up with a toner. Post that, I am applying a moisturizer. This one's by Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. To hydrate my under eye area, I am using the Indulgio Rejuvenating Eye Serum. To moisturize my lips, I am using the Baby Lips Lip Balm by Maybelline. Post these steps, I like to wait for at least 10 minutes so that my skin can absorb all the goodness of the skincare that I just did. Next, I'm spraying my face with the PAC Instant Fixation Prep and Prime. After that, I'm applying the Milani Prime Perfection Primer all over my face. And to fill in the pores of my forehead, nosy and under eye area, I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer. To neutralize the pigmentation around my mouth, I'm using an orange color corrector. This one is by Miss Claire. In case you are interested in a detailed explanation on color correction, I'll leave the link for it in the I button. For foundation, I'm using the Nykaa Skin Genius Foundation Stick in the shade 4. I love how sheer and long lasting this foundation is, though it's a little drying on my face, but it should work absolutely fine if you prep your skin thoroughly before. And to blend it, I'm using my Damn Beauty blender. To highlight my features like the under eye area, forehead, chin and nosy, I'm using a combination of the Nykaa Skin Genius Foundation in the shade 2 and the dual ended contour stick by Wet n Wild in the shade medium. To blend it, I'm using my Damn Beauty blender. What this will do is that because this combination is lighter than my skin tone, it will pull these features forward and in turn make them appear more bigger and prominent. To sculpt and to give my face some dimension and structure, I'm using this contouring shade from the Sivana Colors Ultra Blush palette on my cheekbones, circumference of my face, to chisel my jawline and the sides of my nose with my angled brush. To give some color to my cheeks, I'm using this corally pink shade from the Sivana Colors Ultra Blush palette. To clean up underneath my cheekbones, I'm using the Pack Takeover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude. And to highlight the top of my cheeks and the bridge and tip of my nose, I'm using this shimmery bronze shade from the Natasha Denona Biba eyeshadow palette. To set my concealer in place, I'm using the new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder by Maybelline. For my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas using this brown eyeshadow from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. And to spread the color across so that it looks more natural, I'm using a spoolie. To get those dramatic straight edges, I'm using a sticky tape. Taking up this light pink shade from the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty on my pack brush in the style 126. I'm first going to place it in my outer and my inner corner, dragging it through my crease. And to blend it, I'm using my blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. To further deepen my outer and my inner corner, I'm dipping into this violet shade from the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette with my pack brush in the style 126, and I'm blending it with my blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. And for the pop of brightness, I'm adding this gold shade bronze from the Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics with my flat brush by ABH Cosmetics. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I am picking up this bright gold shade from the Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics with my flat short shader brush. Next, I'm smoking out this pink shade from the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty in my lower lash line with my pack brush in the style 126. Taking my angled flat brush, I am picking up Cypress Umber from the Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics and placing it right underneath my waterline to give it some more definition. To draw a wing and to line my top lash line, I am using the Lakme Insta Liner. And for my waterline, I'm using this white liner by Flamor. And for lipstick, I'm first using this deep plum shade Not So Wine by Faces Canada in the outer perimeters of my lips, and then I'll be adding a new peach shade Tease by Faces Canada for the rest of my lip. I'm pressing my lips together to blend the two colors in and to give it that ombre effect. To finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'm coating my lashes with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. And for falsies, I'm using the Pixie Lashes by Swiss Beauty. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with a wine blouse and a gold sari, some traditional jewelry, and of course a bindi. So if you enjoyed this look, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.